G'day you mob, Pete here from Aussie English and welcome to another episode of Aussie Slang. So today I'm going to be teaching you some more Aussie slang. The whole point of these episodes is to introduce you to these kinds of slang terms and expressions that are used down under in Australia by Aussies so that when you're here, when you're speaking Australian English or with other Aussies, you can sound a lot more Australian and, fit in. Anyway, today's episode is about the expression at the drop of a hat. At the drop of a hat. Now, if you do something at the drop of a hat, it is that you are doing something and you don't need much encouragement, or maybe you do something really quickly without showing people beforehand you were going to do it. It happened rapidly. It happened quickly. He did it at the drop of a hat. I decided to go to France at the drop of a hat. It's kind of like really, really quickly. Now, this originates from, let me just find the origin. It was in the 19th century when races or fights were going to start. People would take off their hat and either drop the hat on the ground, throw the hat on the ground, or move it downwards quickly to signify that thing beginning at the drop of a hat. So, as usual, guys, my challenge for you is to comment below and use the expression at the drop of a hat in a comment of your own. Maybe tell me about something that you decided to do at the drop of a hat. And don't forget, guys, I release a second episode in the Aussie Slang series every single week as well at the same time for premium podcast members and academy members. If you would like to join up and get more Australian English learning material just like this, go down below or click the card up the top here. And I'll see you next time. Bye.